Stories with Tangrams. Hi, and welcome to the 6th episode of Stories with Tangrams. Today, I'm going to read to you a book for Puchku. Can you see Puchku? Yeah, she's got two pigtails. This book has been written by Deepanjana and illustrated by Rajiv Ipe. Let's get started. Puchku, eat your food. Puchku, have a bath. Puchku, go to class. Puchku, go on the bus. Puchku, do your homework. Where's Puchku? Oof. Can you see all the books Puchku is reading? Let's look at the first one. The first one is Let's Go Seed Collecting. The second one is a Hindi book. It says Thodi Si Madad, means a little help. What about the third book? What's Nima eating today? And can you see Puchku's large chappals? I think she's wearing her mummy's chappals. Puchku is busy. She has a book to read. Puchku reads all the time. At home, in school, in the park, in bed. Page after page, book after book, one by one, she has read them all. Why are you always reading, Puchku? Asks Boltu. Come, watch a cartoon instead, says Dodla. Books are so much fun, says Puchku. Look, you see a circle? And this straight line? Push it in, pull that out, and it becomes a letter. Line up the letters, and you have a word. Words can be wise. Words can be funny. Words can be sad. And words can be sunny. When you put words together, they make sentences. And sentences become stories. Read it and whoosh, you're in another world. But today, Puchku is in a fix. Can you see Puchku? She's looking so glum, so sad. Let's see what's happened. She has run out of books to read. All the books that she could reach in the library, she's read from chapter 1 to the end. Oh gosh, now what will she do? Let's see. What will I do? No more books to read, wails Puchku. Wait, what's that over there? Puchku looks up and sees not one, not two, but 3 more shelves full of books. Can you see her looking up? More books, Puchku whispers in delight. There is still one problem though. What do you think the problem is? She is too short and the bookshelf is too tall. How can Puchku get up there? Maybe she can use a washing line or Ma's sari to climb. How about the chairs and tables in the room? It would really be helpful, thinks Puchku, to have a giraffe at hand, even a monkey, or both. Can you see the giraffe is wearing a band-aid? I wonder what happened to this giraffe. Puchku has a plan. Can you see what the plan is? She calls Boltu and Dodla for help. As quiet as they can, they climb on top of each other. Boltu, you're heavy, Dodla complains. Told you not to eat that last rasgulla. It's not me, Boltu hisses. It's Puchku. Shh, almost there, says Puchku. Just then, it all goes wrong. Ah! What is happening here? It is the very tall librarian. She puts Puchku down. Boltu and Dodla run away. Puchku looks up sadly at the book she almost had in her hand. Can I help? Asks the very tall librarian. I was trying to climb the bookshelf. I have run out of books to read, says Puchku sadly. Why didn't you say so? Says the very tall librarian. As long as I'm around, you do not have to climb a bookshelf. May I pick you up? Puchku nods. Oh, can you see Puchku's arms trying to grab every book possible? I will take this and this one too, says Puchku happily. Thank you. Take this one too, says the very tall librarian. When I was small, I loved this book. You were small once? Puchku asked. Oh yes. Even smaller than you, says the very tall librarian. But then I grew, and so will you. Until then, all you need to do is ask for a book, and I will be here to give it to you. But is Puchku listening? No, she is not. She is inside her book, through a circle and a line and a letter and another. Then a word and another, a sentence and another, and now a story. Because Puchku has a new book. Can you see the book Puchku's reading? We read this book in episode 4. This is the Hindi version. Jadav Ka Jungle. Do you go to the library? Have you ever faced a problem where you can't reach the bookshelf? Today, we will make 2 animals to help you reach your books. Can you guess them? Yes. The giraffe, because it's tall, and the monkey, because it can climb anywhere. Let's get started. Okay, ready? Let's start with the giraffe. For the giraffe, we will take the medium triangle for the face, then small triangle. From here onwards, we start the neck. Then we take parallelogram to extend the neck. And can you see how a parallelogram and a small triangle makes a trapezium? Yes. Then take the square. So that's the neck. Then for the front leg, we'll take the large triangle and place it there. Next, we'll take the small triangle and place this corner into this corner. And then the hind leg. And there you go. That's your giraffe. Okay, next we will learn monkey. For the monkey, we will start making the animal from the tail. Are you ready? First, we take the small triangle. Then the other small triangle. And see the shape I will make when you join these two triangles. Remember, we had discussed this last time. It's a parallelogram. Next, we'll take our parallelogram. Are they the same size? Let's see. Oh yes, they're exactly the same size. And that's the tail of the monkey. Then we will take a large triangle and place it here. Next, we'll take the other large triangle, placing it here. And our medium triangle corner will come this way. And there's the head. That's the monkey jumping forward with its tail on top. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Looking forward to seeing pictures of your lovely Tangram animals. See you next time. Bye.